vehicles from their owners at gunpoint. Also, they engage in kidnapping as well as attack on police on daily basis. Their explosives, which they use to launch deadly attack at security operatives, were also recovered. Trucks such as these ones too were recovered as well, and various charms were also recovered from them. The operation was a successful one, as many military uniforms they used were also recovered. The CCTV cameras they mounted to monitor oncoming security agencies was also recovered, including their pamphlets of Biafra national anthem. Rifles were also recovered from the scene, as well as dangerous substances such as Indian arms. We will be bringing you more details of these operations and successes as things unravel. Thank you for.
If you see the level of them God that this was is this DOS side. This guy is I told someone, I told the people, I think I said it on my live broadcast, that among all the DOS members, he is the most dummy. Since his brain is he is the worst. I know some people may not have time to watch him, but I do honestly, I do. Okay. Con- okay, yeah.
I don't know why you send the link.
Okay, so the guy is busy trying to use this information against the African government in exile. To be honest with you, he is one of the most senseless media warrior of the US. One of the most. He is most intelligent to compare him. Ikenga doesn't have anything upstairs, right? But he's more smarter than DOS side. DOS side is, oh my goodness. Each time I listen, that's why I love to listen to his video, because he's a comedian. Anyway, I will not prolong the video anymore. I think we have done justice to this awareness. I just want the aim of the broadcast is for you to know that the Biafran government have done a marvelous things by putting Biafran in international community. Now, international business time have in their headline about Biafran prime minister. They said a lot of things there, of which later I will post it in my community so that you can read it. You can read it from there, or you go to Twitter handle of PM. It is there. Thank you all for coming in. Thank you for supporting me in the live broadcast. I really appreciate. Yes, the guy who wanted to come in, I will see if I'm working on getting WhatsApp number so that it will be more easier for people to call in, because I've noticed that some people are finding it difficult to use the link to join me whenever I'm live, unless the link that I can, if I share the link before coming to live or something like that, then people can join. I don't know why. So I will try my best to get it to solve it. Are you okay? Why should I be jealous of Nigerian rotten apples? What will happen is that, since you don't want to, I told you, if you want me to send you link, okay, so your link is not showing as a link, it is only showing report and block, so it is not coming as a link. I don't know why it's so. I don't know why it's so. It shouldn't show that way.